Henry was sure he could cook the perfect noodles. But something went terribly wrong. Will his noodles be delicious or a complete disaster? Let's find out. We can make noodles today.
Noodles? I love noodles! Can I make them?
You want to cook?
Yes! I can do it!
Okay, but I will help you.
I can cook by myself.
The stove is hot, Henry.
Don't worry, Mom. I'm a great cook. Really? Have you ever cooked before? No. Then how are you a great cook? First, I need water. That's right. See, I know what I'm doing. Look! The water is boiling. Now I can add the noodles. Henry, look outside. Where? There is a bird on the tree. Henry! What? Look at the pot. Oh no! The water is spilling. Turn off the stove. Okay. Here, use this towel. Thank you. Are you still a great cook? I am learning.
What happened here?
The water escaped. Henry got distracted. Just for a second.
That's okay.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Cooking takes attention. Now put the noodles in slowly.
Like this?
Yes, very good.
Henry! What? That's too much. Oh. It smells strong. Very strong. Maybe it will taste good. Done! They look okay. See, I told you I could cook. Is it good? It's too salty. Very salty. I put in too much seasoning. I can fix them. How? I need more water. Henry, that's enough. Just a little more. That's not a little. Oh, now they look worse. I think you're right. Wait! What? Don't add anything else. Why? Because we already have a problem.
Henry, cooking takes practice.
I know now. He learned very quickly.
First, we use the right amount of water.
Okay.
Then we add the seasoning slowly.
Not too much. Is this enough?
Yes.
Good job. I'm learning. Is it good? It's really good.
See?
My first noodles were terrible. They were very salty, but now I know how to cook them. Cooking was harder than I thought, but you didn't give up. Have you ever cooked something that went wrong? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss upcoming videos. See you in the next video.